Do you want to develop search authority and build helpful keyword optimized, well organized, expertly crafted content that demonstrates your industry expertise? But the question comes down to but how? And what does this mean? And what determines quality content that easily attracts search engines and generates organic traffic? Hey guys, my name is Sumit from Paper Video, and in this video I'll explain to you how to create content for SEO. So let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications. To find your answers to the above questions, here's a look at some of the defining trademarks of quality content that improves your SEO. When you want to create content seen by search engines, you need to focus on quality more than the quantity. Let's look how. Long-form valuable content is better than short content. Drafting 5 immediate blog posts seems like a good idea, but search engines will track you more quickly with 1 or 2 longer, more affluent posts. Why? Lengthy content demonstrates expertise. The longer the content, the more it demonstrates that you know what you are creating. The audience gets the impression that you are some thought leader or expert in the subject. A source of wisdom. Search engines notice your well-researched, enlightening, lengthy content and start to consider you authoritative. That is, your page will be more likely to help relevant searchers, that is customers. Lengthy content encourages links. A big enough part of effective SEO is link building, where you have to get more and better sites to link to you. It is pretty challenging to achieve this goal. But how long is long enough? There is no clear standard. But usually speaking, you need to aim to create content articles of 1000 to 1500 words or more. To accomplish this, you need to focus on deepening and describing your content so that they get another level of value when readers go through it. More value, more wisdom, more insights, more links, more organic traffic. It's simple. Stuffed content is likely to backfire. Why? Hollow content will lower your quality. Never make the mistake of conveying your information in 1000 words, what you could say in 200 words. Your visitors won't be happy. He might feel bored or his precious time will be wasted. Hollow content disappoints and frustrates visitors. Remember, when it comes to SEO, getting people to visit your site is half the battle won. If anyone finds your content with the help of a search engine, will he benefit from the information and insights you provide? Or will your content send them racing out of your page? If you're filling your content with extreme and unnecessary text, you might be losing potential customers. After you have thoroughly crafted your content, you can scale its effectiveness by watching bounce rates. If visitors are giving time on your site and converting, then you have won the battle. Your content is working. Also, on the other hand, if they are going away, there is a reason you are losing them, and it's likely affecting your SEO. Developing SEO quality content is a lengthy and slow process. Just like in life, there are no shortcuts in SEO. Because the quality of your content is a huge deal here, it can't be created all at once. Creating quality SEO content takes patience, perseverance, and research. Content creation for SEO is similar to a long-term web development project in which you devotedly, consistently, gradually add valuable content to a site. Results build over time, just like it takes years for a tiny seed to become a substantial life-giving tree. Search engines recognize what you are creating and over time improve your site's authority because of its calm, regular publishing process. Your whole focus must be on evergreen content for long-term SEO benefits. Search engines love fresh content and many content marketers make the mistake of running in a loop of content creation, publishing and getting a small burst of traffic and then never pushing customers to old posts again. According to one HubSpot study, a post that stays valuable and keeps drawing traffic can generate 6 times more traffic than posts that disappear into the archives. What represents evergreen content? It genuinely helps readers, it guides, educates and solves a problem. It stays relevant for a long time after its publication date. Evergreen content can include blog posts, videos, white papers, and many other different types of content. It's valuable to the audience and they'll want to share it online. Final thoughts. When you are creating content for SEO, the bottom line is that more isn't always better. More blog posts are helpful only when they are carefully crafted, planned out to help readers, and long enough so that you can cover the topic deeply and all the necessary information. Quality is where it's at for SEO. So set your sights on regularly creating relevant content and you'll reap the best benefits over the long haul. If you find this video interesting, then you'll surely like this similar blog on why more isn't always better, how to create content for SEO now only on papervideo.com. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends, family and colleagues. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the video and what topic you would like to see a video on. Thank you so much for watching.